In this animation, blue ball represents carbon and silver pipe represents bond. Tetrahedral structure. Each carbon atom bonds tetrahedrally to 4 other carbon atoms. The tetrahedral bond angle is 109.5 degrees. Bonding of carbon atoms. Second layer. Each carbon atom bonded with other 4 carbon atom. Third layer. Each carbon atom bonded with other 4 carbon atom. Fourth layer. Each carbon atom bonded with other 4 carbon atom. Diamond is a transparent crystal of tetrahedrally bonded carbon atoms that crystallizes into diamond lattice, which is the variation of the face-centered cubic structure. Diamond is the hardest natural material because each carbon atom is linked to 4 other atoms. It is a network of covalent bonds. Due to this, its structure is very rigid, which makes it of very hard substance. Mohs scale of mineral hardness. The hardness is defined as resistance to scratching is graded between 1 and 10. Diamond is graded 10 on this scale. Graphite. Each carbon atom in graphite is joined to only 3 other carbon atoms. First layer. Second layer. Third layer. And fourth layer. Weak force between the layers. The force acting between the layers is weak van der Waals force. So, they slide between each other very smoothly. The fact that weak van der Waals forces govern the bonding between individual layers permits the layers to slide over one another, making it an ideal lubricant. Graphite is comparatively a soft substance as it has sheet-like structure. It is a good conductor of electricity because the carbon atom has 4 valence electrons. But carbon atom is joined to only 3 other carbon atoms by covalent bonds to form hexagonal rings. The 4th valence electron of each carbon atom is free to move. So, due to free electron, the conduction is possible. Buckminster-Fullerene. Pentagon ring. There are 12 pentagonal rings of carbon atoms in one molecule of Buckminster-Fullerene. Hexagon ring. There are 20 hexagonal rings of carbon atoms in one molecule of Buckminster-Fullerene. In the proposed structure for C60, each vertex of the truncated icosahedron is occupied by a carbon atom, and each carbon is 3 connected to other carbon atoms by 1 double bond and 2 single bonds. Carbon atoms with this kind of connectivity are usually referred to as sp carbons because the orbitals used to sigma bond the 3 adjacent carbons are hybrids of the 2s orbital and the 2 sp orbitals. The remaining 2p orbital is responsible for the pi bond. The structure of C60 is a truncated icosahedron which resembles an association football of the type made of 20 hexagons and 12 pentagons with a carbon atom at the vertices of each polygon and a bond along each polygon edge. The van der Waals diameter of a C60 molecule is about 1.1 nanometers. The nucleus-to-nucleus diameter of a C60 molecule is about 0.71 nanometer. Buckminster-Fullerenes is the smallest Fullerenes molecule in which no 2 pentagons share an edge. It is also the most common in terms of natural occurrence as it can often be found in soot. Diamond is extremely hard. Buckminster-Fullerenes is neither hard nor soft. Graphite is very soft.